Pure Pack Portable and Collapsible UVC Scanning Bag. It's made of a durable 600D polyester. Does include a carrying handle because it is portable. Has a zipper closure. The zipper enclosure is going to include a magnetic safety feature. So when the bag is opened, if it's in its charging mode, it will shut off. You'll power on the sanitizing bag. One click push, blue light comes on right here. You've engaged a 3-minute sanitation process. You will also see a blue light on the side that will let you know from multiple directions that this bag is in function. Push the button back on top to turn it off. Pressing the power button twice on the top rapidly, you'll see a green light come on. This engages a 5-minute deep sanitation. Again, you will see the light on the side indicating that the bag is in sanitation mode. If you open the bag while it is cleaning, this little magnet separates from its sensor and shuts off the UV sanitation. You also see in the side there's the fully reflective lining. This enables a deep clean without turning or rotating the products. You have 2 UV lights here because this is a large capacity bag. It's large enough to put a microfiber, a cell phone, key, glasses, and even a notebook. And it's collapsible. Voila.